Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys what I use to look up OEM parts, or what I like to do is I like to cross-reference parts to see if a certain part I can use in one particular vehicle is the same in another. And here I use alldiscountparts.com. There are other websites you can use, Honda dealership websites. So for example, I have a cracked injector and I want to see if I can source it out somewhere else cheaper, at the yards. And if I can't, then I may just have to order it from the dealer. So here I have a 2004 Acura TSX, which my motor is the K24A2 motor. I'm going to go under the engine category, select fuel injector, and here is a picture that you can use to cross-reference the parts you're looking for. So here I will click on the fuel injector, and here it will give me the part number, and I will pull up a second tab. It will remember your vehicle. I can add another vehicle. So I know there is a 2002 Acura RSX at the yard. It's the base model. And on the RSX, under the engine, I know it's under intake manifold. Here's a picture of it. Here's the injector. I'm gonna select it. It's discontinued, but I can still cross-reference the part number. So 16450 PNE, 16450 RBB, so we know it's not the same. And I'm just gonna add another vehicle. (2003) Honda Accord. Under the engine category, it's going to be in the fuel injector, and I'm going to select injector. There's two of them. I'm going to use the first part number. So here I'm just going to cross-reference it with the TSX 16450 RBB, 16450 RAA, so we know that they are not the same. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and please don't forget to share. Thank you.